It's 5 a.m. Well, we're tired, but we're ready.
She sucks, say less. Superbot, no stress. You know the gang so blessed. Cause they got 2 chefs. Big old pad so sick. Our host so slick. L, Darwin, Oden, Satchmo, I can vouch they're down with the kids. She sucks, say less. Superbot, no stress. You know the gang so blessed. Cause they got 2 chefs. Big old pad so sick. Our host so slick. L, Darwin, Oden, Satchmo, I can vouch they're down with the kids. We're off to the market, come back with the goods, the hardest. Veggies the ripest, sea bass, sardines, pork chops only the largest. Back to the pool for some volleyball, we're boba and singing, we got it all. Spatch, cock, 2 birds with a twig, and it turned into this. Fucking magnificent and gigantic, big man relax with a bit of Titanic. Sunset smiles and Haribo, I'm sorry but what are you doing, Joe? Sleazy excited for canyoning, leap from height, stomach scrambling. Mysterious girl, under a waterfall bar at summit to top it all. She sucks, say less. Superbot, no stress. You know the gang so blessed. Cause they got 2 chefs. Big old pad so sick. Our host so slick. L, Darwin, Oden, Satchmo, I can vouch they're down with the kids. Onion muncher, tea-towel whips and 224 at the butcher's steak night. You know Twig got the flame right, need some salt then Hannon is on site. Cover up the ting, oh yeah. Peek at that pink flesh. Broccoli glisten. Close up at that courgette. Plenty of green sun, peppers belonging to Padron. Corn on the cob, we're fucked on a spud. Sexy sauce, yogurt and pineapple garlo. What you thinking to that one?
Oh yes.
Nice, now best of all, I'll shut my mouth for the festival.
Cuando le dicen que la volvemos a amar, me dieron la chula, eu não sou vergonhoso, e como posso fugir ao perigo?
Oh my god, I can't believe we're in the front! We're in the front! We're in the front!
She sucks, say less. Apero, no stress. Cards with forfeits to dread. Slaps with Birkenstocks and Fred. You know, easy come, easy go. Little high, little low. What's inside that antique bowl? Dollar shoot and miss them all.
We're like birds.
From seagulls to gannets, them guys diving off of this planet at least. Well, some of them did. Tick so slick, onto the pork. Oh my lord, my favourite meal. Top scores, out in the wind to explore. Wanna see some orange trees and possibly some blossom please. Hike the light tree, shade the rays. Grin so wide cause I'm on my holidays. Take a dip, then off we mush. My man Twig cooking octopus. What a spectacle, he cook it so good she curling her tentacles. Here we go, we got langoustine, pineapple, greens, leeks, giant couscous, bulgur wheat, and plenty of sardine next day. Porto hitting the street, places to be, sights to see, dogs to snap and apparently eat. Tiles for days, we're on the way. I just wanna say, shitty socks, say less. Superbot, no stress. You know the gang so blessed. Cause they got bare chefs. Big old pad so sick. Our host so slick. L, Darwin, Oden, Satchmo, I can vouch they're down with the kids. Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
91! I need to see me through. The seas, the body gets too rough. I ain't around, but what I do. Woo!
That's a wrap.